In this guided meditation, you will build the inner discipline to follow your trading plan. Through deep breathing and visualization, you'll reinforce confidence in sticking to your trading rules, even when market action tempts you. This session will use calm mental images of a focused trader and mindful check-ins to help you trust and follow your strategy. Begin by sitting comfortably in your chair, your feet planted firmly on the ground. Imagine roots gently growing from your feet into the earth, grounding you. Allow your spine to grow tall with a straight, comfortable posture and let your hands rest easily on your lap or desk. Softly relax your jaw, and if it feels safe, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it out fully through your mouth, sighing if it feels natural. Feel your shoulders drop and relax as you exhale completely. As your breathing finds a natural rhythm, begin to turn your attention inward. Feel your heart beating steadily in your chest, strong, and even imagine looking out at the market charts on your screen. The digital numbers and candles flicker in front of you as if alive. Notice any tension in your body as you watch the fast-moving data. You might feel excitement or pressure rising. Take a moment to simply observe these feelings without acting on them. Breathe slowly and evenly, anchoring your awareness in the present moment. Now, in this calm space, recall your trading rules. Think of one rule that you trust deeply. Perhaps it's about waiting for a clear signal before trading, or always setting a stop loss. With each inhale, mentally affirm this rule. For example, silently repeat, "I follow my plan," or "I wait for my signal." Feel the strength of these words with each in-breath. On each exhale, imagine releasing any doubts or impulses that might pull you away from the plan. Picture a realistic trading situation, visualize a chart pattern forming, maybe a familiar setup where price has quickly spiked. Notice the familiar urge to jump in and ride the move. As this impulse arises, observe it without judgment. Give it a name in your mind like temptation or urge. Notice where in your body this feeling appears. Perhaps a quickening heartbeat or a tightness in your chest. Breathe into that sensation. Now imagine gently placing this impulse onto a small cloud or floating leaf. Watch it drift away with each soft breath. As it goes, notice the calm returning to your body and mind. Remind yourself that you have a choice in every moment. With the urge gone, turn your focus back to your strategy. Picture yourself calmly following your rule. Perhaps you wait for a specific indicator to align, or a certain pattern to complete. See yourself taking the trade only when all your criteria are met. Feel the confidence building inside you as you act according to plan. Not impulsively, notice your posture and breath as you do this. You are steady, alert, and at ease. Stay in this feeling for a few breaths. The cool confidence, the calm certainty. Each time you breathe, you strengthen your resolve to follow your plan. Remember that every act of discipline makes you a stronger, more confident trader. This feeling of trust is available to you at any moment. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Take one final deep breath in, filling yourself with calm assurance, and exhale fully. Releasing any remaining tension, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded and confident. If your eyes have been closed, open them now or lift your gaze. Carry this sense of discipline with you. Trust that as you return to your trading, you will follow your rules with ease and confidence.